Aisha Buhari aide, what do they call him? Aliyu Abdullahi, don't come outside talk say people who want make Ghana their plan B, make their rethink camo. Say all of una where they plan say Nigeria don't tire una. Say na Ghana and I won't go. Say make na think and well. This man right, come post and say, dear Mr. Walter, before you relocate to Ghana because of Twitter suspension, say making think am well. Say because petrol na 393 naira for Ghana. Say even cock, I can't wetin be cock. Na man cock abi na kukuruku cock na this man they try talk about. Say bottle of cock na 300 na dia my mind okay na coke C-O-K-E coke na him be 300. Say even bag of rice na 48,000. Come end am with best regard. I can't wonder this one they help us convert money. People who don't decide say they want travel. They know reason where they won't come out now. As na don't ban Twitter, everything for Nigeria and jaga jaga. Now make the person self don't decide say he won't come out. Now you can't advise them, they help them change as you don't turn exchange rates now. Now make you can't help them change money say this. But as it been, make I not even lie on her. Ghana they expensive, but people even still prefer this Ghana because of say waiting. You know go hear anything about unknown gunmen. You know, they complain, say, NEPA don't take light. This one, they happen. This one, when they even give us fuel price. In fact, nobody they use generator now because we know, say, light there. So, what's it? And people when they even drink coke, what is they want to? So, in fact, to them, it ain't normal. And if you even convert this money, you go see and say, everything self. If you look and where, if you even be the same thing. So, people when they choose Ghana, they know what they want to. Maybe they want themselves, they want to enjoy the whole piece where they for Ghana. Light there, water there, everything there. So, what the person won't come, they wasting time. Person get money. What you won't come waste your time, they stay for Nigeria. This man where they even advise person. Ask him, but himself, they even stay for this Nigeria. Most of them, they know they stay home. Today they don't fly, go here. Tomorrow they don't go here. Person now we can write say, he won't come out, you can't advise and say, make him stay. This so-called Aisha Buhari herself, say, where she did Nigeria. She know that you know go advise her say, Auntie Buhari, sit down for one place. Then when they travel up and down, you know see them advice. Now ordinary people where they don't they feel and say, Nigeria don't tire them, may they come out. You can't come with your own matter say, may they think come to. They get the money, they go come out. Anybody will get the money, plan your they don't they take and say, make plans for your plan B. Because sooner or later, you have to go gas. Well, be say by that time, self, you know, go even get anywhere to go. The way when Nigeria be now, anything fit just go happen at any time. While fit just go happen. But if you don't make preparations down, say, okay, as it be like this kind of unknown gunmen, kidnapping and everything, before I go reach you, make you find your way. Find where go you stay come out. I don't take time making a find a way. Me go, I don't they prepare. I don't already even go by. Ghana must go. Where I go, you stay go to Ghana. So making they make plans. As it be, everybody they fear for Nigeria. The only reason why people they even talk this now because wahala don't too much for Nigeria. Today go yes say this one die. Tomorrow they don't kidnap this one. People don't they fear now. At least you dey Ghana, you know say nobody they can't kidnap you. Nobody they can't carry you. So it is preferable for people now make they don't decide say na Ghana na be their plan B. As it be, now so I bring this matter come for now. Anything when I feel, making a write down for the comment section. And making a don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I go see you now for our next video. Now wow, Nigeria people go just wake up, bring new rule, come the country. Now House of Rep don't receive proposal who say they won't change Nigeria name to UAR, where go mean United African Republic or United Alka-Bulan Republic. Ha! This kind Alka-Bulan, how people wanted to pronounce this name? Ordinary Nigeria self, they find them hard self to call because of the bad things that don't they happen. Now Alka-Bulan, people won't come they pronounce. This man now will be task consultant, will bring this proposal. In name na Mr. Adeleye Jokotoye. Now him break this thing for the Southwest Zonal Public Hearing wey happen for Lagos. Him talk say this name now, say it go help people physically and psychologically. It go help Nigeria, bring Nigeria into a new beginning. Say because this name, now our colonial masters, that is, those Oyinbo people wey come that time, and then give this name to Nigeria. So Nigeria now supposed to change this name, then change our law, so that we go get new things go dey flow, so that all those bad things with the name go follow the name go. I can't dey wonder, now name changing, I go can't change this country. All the things where they happen, and I know they think about that one, and I confuse say, if we not change name, now everything go happen. People they think of bandit and the things where they happen on our government in our Sudan. dey think about name. Na wow. But anyways, this name, in dey talk say im choose this name, this United African Republic, because of say we get plenty ethnic groups, and if they bring this thing together, all of us go dey united. Na im make am choose this United African Republic o. And say this Alka Bulan, all of us know say this name hard. Say the real meaning na United Mother of Mankind Republic. I come dey wonder, I think say Nigeria na fatherland. Which one come be mother of mankind? Mother of mankind. I no come even dey understand this kind name wey they give Nigeria. So now if na why even write no more Nigeria, we go dey write my country Alka Bulan. Don talk say Buhari, the president of Alka Bulan, don bring new law say na wow, we go just dey make mumu decision. But as e be like this, all of us sef know say this united wey they will even use, nothing dey united for Nigeria. Everything na jaga jaga. So wetin na dey bring united inside this matter for? Make una leave the matter as e be. Nothing dey united. Make una focus on Nigeria itself. Forget am. And hope say no be ways wey na go use take collect money na una dey find. Maybe that don dey look say if una change the name, people go do new passport. Gbagbe, nobody get money. Nobody dey do anything. Make una leave the name as e be. Make we dey manage and make una work on things wey no good for the country before una go dey think of name wey una wan change. And this Nigeria sef, problem don even too much. If una change this name, I no sure say anything go change. Wahala wey dey go still dey. No be about name changing. Fine, if una wan change the constitution, make una change am. But no be say name sef go come go. Like nothing dey change. All of us no country where we dey. That means we go change our president sef now. If na wan change everything, politicians so everything, make them change everything. Now that way, now e go just good. Because this kind only name changing and then constitution, who it help? E no help anybody as e be. But as this matter be like this, now here I go stop am o. But as I see am, I share you. Now be this URA o. Make una just leave am for Naija. Make we dey manage our Naija, my country, as e be like this. Now here I go end this matter o. Make una no forget to like, share, and subscribe. As I go see you now for our next story.